everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Howard. In today's video, I'll be showing us a simple DIY hack how you can make fruit flower vase. And you can actually make this fruit flower vase and share it with your loved ones, especially with the Mother's Day coming up. So I'll be showing with us a simple tip how you can make this fruit flower vase, and I'll be sharing with us all the materials and the fruits that I'll be using. If you're new to my YouTube channel, on this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about how to make healthy meal, how to make elder drink, how to do different DIY life hack, beauty hack, life hack, and also how to do home decoration on budgets. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. And to make this fruit flower vase, I'll be using different fruits and some materials. So the materials that I'll be using, I got a couple of wine glass which I'll be using for my vase. And I have the doo-doo which I'll be cutting and put inside this to hold the fruit. And I also have the stick which I'll be putting the fruit in and put it in this wine glass. And I have different cookie cutter here which I'll be using to cut my fruit. And for the fruit, I'm using watermelon, cantaloupe, pineapple, strawberries, I have blueberries, I have green grapes, and I also have red grapes here. And you can actually use any fruit of your choice. Please relax, sit back, and let's enjoy today's video together. What I'll be doing next is to wash my fruit and get it ready. Sit back, relax, and don't forget to like this video and share with your loved ones. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I love you all. Let's dive in.